The Niagara Falls Dental Clinic is holding a free dental screening event on Saturday, March 4th. Here to fill us in, Christy Sikanolfi. Christy, why a free screening clinic? Why is it important?
So our clinic actually launched a baby and children's preventative program about a year ago, just over a year ago, and we saw that there was a great need in Niagara for early detection and early screening. So this was just naturally the next step for us to offer a free program and a free event to introduce the dentist to children in a really non-threatening way, really fun and engaging, so that they're never afraid.
A baby and children's screening. So I'm just trying to wrap my head around that. If a baby only has a few teeth, it's still okay to come in and visit the dentist and take a look at what is happening with those teeth?
Absolutely. If you notice a problem when it's small, it's less invasive to help them, but mostly it's to educate. A lot of the times parents are doing so many things that they may forget a certain step, so we just give them tips and tricks to kind of increase their engagement with the children. And it's really difficult to do all the things on a small child, but when we can screen them and help the parents kind of introduce different ways to clean their teeth, especially at night, it just helps prevent problems along the way.
Going to a dentist can be kind of scary for a young child.
For sure.
So how do you get through that? It shouldn't be a scary situation.
That's really our goal, is to make it fun, and we go at their pace. So if they're not having it that day, we definitely just stop. We invite them to go for a ride in the chair. We lay them back. We can count their teeth. If they allow us to polish, we can do that as well. But mostly we just go at their pace. We just want them to have fun and get to know our environment a little bit better. Even the sounds, we go really slow. We introduce everything, and with special names, of course, to make it fun. But yeah, just so that they're engaged and entertained, really.
This March 4th event, you have some prizes, you have some other things going on as well?
Yeah, so we have a contest. There's prizes and swag for all the participants. And there'll be a face painter there as well. They'll receive a certificate. And it's mostly just to get them really excited about coming. And it's really surprising because of a lot of our littlest patients, if their parents end up coming to our office, they get upset that they're not coming too. So a lot of our patients will tell us, they have to not tell their kids that they're coming because they want to come along.
Christy, during COVID, did you see a reduction in the number of children coming to the dentist?
Yeah, for sure. A lot of what we do is aerosol generating. So when we were limited in our use of the polishing machine and the machine that cleans teeth with water, we really focused on screening. We focused on education and teaching them how to care for their teeth. And a lot of the times it's catching things when they're small and preventing these issues from even arising. So it's just a lot of discussion, communicating, and at their pace, at their level. So. Yeah.
You mentioned education. You're educating the parents as much as you are the children in these cases.
For sure, yeah. Yeah, and just little tricks because, as they grow, they want to do things on their own. So, different tools that they can use or different access tricks. So we help parents more than anything and encourage the children to do it on their own.
What other kinds of events do you have planned in the future?
So right now, this is our first event. It's absolutely free, so you can call and register your appointment. You can reserve the time that works best for your child. So if they're a morning person or if they nap, keep that in mind when you're going to be booking their appointments. But we are doing 3 events this year. So our next event is July, and then November, for Halloween. So 3 events this year, and we'll see how it does in the community and just grow from there.
Now, this begs the question, before or after Halloween?
It's after, actually.
That's
yes,
good, because that's better timing. They
is.
need to see a dentist after Halloween.
Yeah, for sure. And we actually have a really cool program at that event as well. So more to come for that.
Why is it that more dental offices don't do something like this?
I don't know. I love that our office is unique in that, where we're trying to capture the children when they're young, so they're never afraid. So I'm not sure. I love that our office is open to helping, and we're being more preventive than reactive. So
what's the website for people to register at?
NiagaraFallsDentalClinic.com, and we also have a Facebook page that you can follow along, and you can follow us on Instagram as well.
Perfect. Christy, great to see you today.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you for coming in.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.